You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words. They look fairly similar, but they have a different pronunciation. So let's break it down. The top word is pronounced in British English as air. The R is pretty much silent in the UK, air. In American English, the R is pronounced as air. You have to twist your tongue for this, air. Now the bottom word is what you have on your head or on your body, and you have to make an H sound, which is h. Just blow some air through your mouth. So bottom word here is pronounced hair. Can you hear the air flowing through the mouth? Hair, okay, hair. For the top word, air, you do not blow air through your mouth. So top word, air. Bottom word, hair. Air, hair. Can you hear the difference? Are you able to pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.